In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check Google Drive shared files. If you've ever wondered where all the documents and folders that other people sent you actually live, this is the quickest way to find them in one place. We'll do this on a computer, and I'll walk you through exactly what you'll see so you know you're in the right spot. First, go to Google Drive in your web browser. Once Drive opens, look over to the left-hand side of the screen. You'll see a navigation panel with options like Priority, My Drive, and more. In that list, click Shared with Me. This is the dedicated area where Google Drive gathers everything that others have shared with you, so you don't have to dig through emails or chat threads to find links again. When you're in Shared with Me, you'll notice a list of files and folders. Each item typically shows an icon that hints at what it is, like a Docs document, a sheet, a slide deck, or a folder, and the file or folder name right next to it. This page is not a random mix. It's a curated view of content that someone else gave you access to. Think of it like your incoming shelf for shared work. You'll also see who shared each item with you. That name appears in the Shared By area, which is helpful when you're trying to remember which teammate, client, or collaborator sent something over. If your organization uses groups, you may see a group or team name listed as the sharer too. This makes it much easier to trace the source of a file and follow up with the right person if you have questions or need edits. Next, pay attention to the date. The date shared column tells you when the access was given to you. That can be really handy if you're trying to find a deck someone sent last week or a spreadsheet from earlier this month. Recently shared items often appear toward the top, so newer content is usually easy to spot. A couple of quick notes to keep expectations clear. Items you see here are still owned by the person who shared them with you. You're simply viewing the access that was granted. Your ability to view, comment, or edit will depend on the permissions they set. If something you previously saw here seems to be missing, it may have been unshared or its permissions changed by the owner. That's it. Go to Drive, open Shared with Me, and you'll immediately see what was shared, who shared it, and when. It's the simplest way to stay organized with incoming files and folders.